Happy Wednesday, budget friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. And we're going to work on our micro Wednesdays for the month of May. My micros are actually images that I created. And if you're interested in knowing, all I did was go into ChatGPT and prompted it to make an image using the caricature. That's basically it. So you'll see these. I chose my family and my kiddos, but also I'm CassieJBudgets and Vlogs. She's one of my favorite moms. She's a don't take no mess kind of mom. And I truly am in awe of her, the way she handles being a mom. I only have 5 savings challenges, but what I wanted to do was see what I could actually save. Today I have 20 bucks. Let me make sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I do have $20. My goal, you guys, is to actually come back every single week with $20. That's my goal, $20 a week. I don't know if it's going to happen, but I'm pretty excited to see what does happen. I do have this little tray that I found at Dollar Tree, and I thought it could, because it won't roll all around when I roll the dice. And I don't know how we are going to do this. Maybe, well, we have $20. We have the whole month to work on them. Let's see if we can just, let's see here. Let's see how much the first one's getting. Maybe that's what we'll do. $3. 1, 2, 3. So what I'll do is I will place it upright and then long ways, depending on what, if number 3 gets more money. I think that's how we'll separate it, so then that way I can mark in the roll and save amounts. So the image is just the image, and I put stickers on top. So these are not laminated. I won't be able to reuse them. I can make them again, but I won't be able to reuse them. Number 2, no, okay, number 2 getting 2. I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, $2. And number 3 getting $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is awesome. Getting $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one getting, what is that? 3. 1, 2. Uh-oh. Oh, you know what? I have some ones. Let me switch this 5 out. 1 second. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. I'll put that off to the side. And so we needed 3 here. And it looks like we only have $4 left. How about, because I don't want to do an IOU. I don't want to do an IOU. Let's just see. What is that? $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first one got the most money. Let's, hopefully by next week or the week after, I'll have it a little bit more together. But I really, really wanted to work on these. I was actually going to throw them out because they were just little images that I made. And I thought, oh man, I can just, you know, throw them into one of my binders or something like that. But then I decided, let me just go ahead and use them. Let me grab a marker. I don't have a marker. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3. So we have $7 total. And what I'll do is I'll get the $5 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have $7 there. And hopefully this is dry. I can't tell. But I don't want it to mess up my my little clear envelopes. Not the end of the world if it does, but I've been trying to not mark up my envelopes, but I do. I always do. It's not going in. Let's see. So these are my kiddos, Vincent and Victor. I do have another kiddo in heaven, and I did focus on having a savings challenge dedicated to him last month. So I kind of wanted to give my boys just a little shout out, a little love. So I do have another savings challenge with my kiddos. Maybe, I think I'm going to make it a freebie. I just got to finish it, but I think I'm going to make it a freebie. All right, so the next one is getting $2. And hopefully this is dry. It's so funny, this is the juicy marker. All right, so let's put that $2 in there. And we're going to work on these all month. You know, I believe, yes, May is a magic month. And I'm hoping that it all works out for me the way I'm envisioning, but we'll see. All right, the next savings challenge is getting 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are interested in making savings challenges, but you don't have a whole little setup or a whole little idea, or there's something that you're just thinking, man, that would be a cute savings challenge, make the image in ChatGPT, and then all I did, I got stickers from the Dollar Tree, and then I just put stickers on them. I thought it turned out pretty cute. Like I said, I was going to throw them away, but they fit perfectly in my A7 envelopes. All right, so we have $1, $2, $3. I think it would be really nice to actually have more money. Let me let that dry and then we'll move on to the next one so it has time to dry. So for those of you who are interested in knowing, Cassie J and I have had a shop together since 2021. I was shooting the crap and not really serious about it, and she was like, well, maybe we could do it together. And then ever since then, we've been doing it together. And also, we've never met in person. We've been pretty close for these 5 years. I think I originally reached out to her in 2020, and then we started our shop in 2021, and we've been together ever since. So I've never met her. This is the closest we've got to taking a picture together. I mean, besides like video chat, we've taken pictures on video chat, but I put it together. I thought it was cute. $1, $2, $3, $4. All right, let's put this, well, let's let this one dry a second. We'll put this $3 away. So hopefully next week I can come up with the $20 again. I did mention before that I took a couple weeks off from work, so my income, it did take a little dive, but I had some stuff I really needed to do, not just mentally taking a break, but also I needed to get myself together, move into my new place, and take care of the other place, so I wouldn't have any issues with, you know, whatever was left whenever I left the old place. So I did take care of everything I needed to take care of. I don't know if you're gonna see a if I already have the walkthrough, or at least the short. Maybe I already have it up. I don't know if by the time I'm filming this you'll see the short of my apartment or not, but if it's there, I will link it down below, or you can check out my channel for it. If not, I will be working on it. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing. You all, we're going to put our envelopes back, and hopefully I can have this together for next week. And this little binder I got a long time ago. I'm not even certain where. I want to say at the time, I remember, it was Baddies and Budgets channel shop, Baddy and Budgets shop. And you know what, we're going to put this one first this time, and this one second, because this one got the most money. Oh, you know what, never mind, I'm just kidding. That one's going to go last because it got to rolls. And I was just thinking, oh my goodness, what if I get a 6? Oh, the torture. Well, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.